Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to What Money Honey. Yes, I have renamed my blog to feature fashion, beauty, and makeup advice and shopping advice for women that don't have a lot of money. If you can't afford high-end, this is the channel for you. And today I decided to make this first video all about eyeshadow. Yes, I found this eyeshadow brand on Amazon called Ucanbe, and I was completely scared of ordering these beautiful eyeshadow palettes and sets because they were so cheap. I mean, like, I think the most expensive one was $7.50, but I'll link all the pricing and everything below in the description. So I googled the company, and they're a real company. They're based here in the United States, but I found the palettes on Amazon for $7.50 each. They're a little more expensive on their website. They're not knockoffs. So let me show you what I got. I actually haven't opened or swatched anything yet, so this is a true haul video. This is my very first one. So excited. So first off, I got the Fruit Punch. This looks like it's nicely packaged. Came in this little Amazon envelope, so ooh. Oh yeah. And they have a Facebook group list. Let's open this up. Pretty. Looks just like really nice. I'm hoping they're very pigmented. From the swatches I saw, they were very pigmented. But we shall see. Alright, I've got two more things to show you here. This one, what's the name of this shadow palette? It's called Beauty Glazed. This was like foils or something. Glitter. If I remember right, if I can get it open. Lots of glitters and foils and ooh, chromes. Really pretty colors. Okay, so I think my favorite color is actually this gold chrome right there. Just see what that looks like when I swatch it. I'm not gonna swatch anything just yet. Now, I lied. This is the last thing I bought, and it is actually Twinkle Dust, which is loose eyeshadows. This was actually $9.99 for all 6. What a steal. They're actually on their website $2.50 each, so wow. And when I was looking at it originally, I thought that was the price per eyeshadow, but it's not. $9.99 is actually all 6. I was actually only interested in one color. It's called Firefly, and that is actually the only one I'm going to open. If I can figure out, I'll show you if I can figure out which one it is. No, Fireflies. I'm going to show you guys this one. I'm going to swatch this one too because I'm super excited about this color. When I saw it on the site as this part of the set, this is the only one I wanted. It's super pretty. Let me show you what these are. They're shimmers. Look at this. Oh, the packaging is so cute. It's like a little diamond. Oh my gosh. And it's not only sealed on the outside, it's sealed on the inside too. That's great. I really don't like makeup when it's tampered with. And people tamper with makeup a lot, which is why I like to stick to ordering my makeup online. I found the most disgusting place to buy makeup is actually some of the places where it's most available, and I'm not to name any names, but literally you see people go into these places, swatch stuff all the way up their arms, put on lipstick, do all kinds of gross things, try on eyeliners, open packages. It's really nasty. And then put it back. Ew. You know who you are. Okay, so I've got this open. I don't know if you can see. It's a little shaker bottle top. Oh my gosh, it's actually got a lid that you can open and shut, and I think, oh, look. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Ooh. So I'm gonna shake a little bit out on the cap. Just teeny tiny sprinkle and swatch it on my hand for you because this color, when I saw it online, was spectacular. Oh, it's showing just silver, but it's actually got a really pretty burgundy tone. You can see it in the cap. So I'm really excited to try that on my eyes. See what it looks like. Just blend it in a little more. Yeah, the burgundy is not showing up, but it is a pretty shimmer. Look at that. It's really pretty. And there we go. Now you can kind of see. Well, that's it. That's what I ordered. I can't wait to try these out. I'm really excited for these shimmer dusts actually, to see what they're like and see how long lasting they are and what kind of looks I can come up with. I'm not a huge eyeshadow person, so we'll see what I do, and hopefully I can figure out a way to film the look for you so that you can actually see what I'm doing and I can see what I'm doing, because I'm blind. These glasses are not just for looks. And if you like my makeup, please let me know, and I'll do a makeup tutorial video for this look if you like, and I'll have links to what I'm wearing below also in the description. So if you like these eyeshadows, they are available on Amazon and they're extremely affordable, and I can't wait to show you makeup tricks and looks and give you some reviews on how long lasting they are, and even swatches. I might do it by set for swatches. So we'll see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And also, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.